soft, smooth skin without the hassle of shaving. Brazilian waxing isn't just for your body anymore. More people are using it for facial hair removal. Quick quiz. How long do you think results last? 1 week, 2 weeks, or 4 weeks? Keep reading to find out. Welcome to MTH Health. This tutorial shows beginners how to do Brazilian waxing for facial hair safely at home. By the end, you'll know how to prep your skin, apply wax correctly, and care for it afterwards. No stress, no mistakes. Less ouch, more wow. Trying Brazilian waxing for the first time can feel intimidating. Pain, technique, and skin sensitivity are the main worries for beginners. Sound familiar? Don't worry. Step-by-step guidance makes it safe and comfortable at home. Comment below if you've ever tried waxing before. How did it go? Here's how to do it right. Prep your skin by washing and drying completely. Use a small amount of wax. Apply in the direction of hair growth. Pull the wax strip in the opposite direction, smooth and fast. Aftercare is crucial. Soothe skin with aloe gel. Avoid direct sunlight and gently exfoliate after 24 hours to prevent ingrown hairs. Pro tip: start with a tiny patch to test comfort and sensitivity. Try this today and share your results in the comments. Brazilian waxing gives soft, smooth skin that lasts for weeks, much longer than shaving. With practice, it becomes easier and less painful than expected. Small steps today lead to flawless skin tomorrow. Can you guess how long results lasted? Comment your guess below. To recap, prep your skin, apply wax carefully, remove quickly, and follow proper aftercare. With practice, Brazilian waxing for facial hair is simple, safe, and highly effective. Have you tried Brazilian waxing at home? Share your tips, questions, or experiences in the comments. We love hearing from you. Check out our other beauty tutorials for more beginner-friendly tips. The best comment might get featured in our next video.